This is one of the most misunderstood concepts because it's really counterintuitive. Let me show you. Let's say you have this kick over here and you want to gain some headroom by high passing the kick. You probably pick up something like this and then you decided to use high pass. You were expecting decrease in peak volume. However, the result was completely the other way around. Without and with. Now we are clipping. Contrary to popular belief, high passing your sound may end up peaking higher than previously. It's not always the case, but it often happens. Now let's take another kick example from my own sample pack and try the same thing. Without and with. Weirdly enough, this time we are picking actually less than what we had before. So whenever you do a low cut like this, you have to visualize the results to really gain a headroom. Another solution to this is actually using linear filters. Let's take our previous kick and change the filter type to linear phase. Now this time our picks are staying same or little lower. The main problem with linear phase EQs is that if you are doing it on a percussive sound, they may introduce pre-ringing. Let me show you what that means. Let's take the same kick sample over here and freeze and flatten. Now, if I pull this one to the left here and zoom in, you see that there's something going on here, and let's just volume up a little bit. This is what people mean by pre-ringing. Linear phase EQs may lead to this small tiny pre-ring before the percussive sound hits. But what I found is actually most of the time this pre-ringing is so small amount, it doesn't really matter that much. In the worst case, what you can do, render your sound and then just manually cut that pre-ringing area. Do something like this and now you are good to go. However, if you are doing this, for example, during the mastering stage, you cannot just flatten and cut the things out. And because of that, during the mastering stage, people actually will tell you avoiding high-pass linear filters because it may introduce a bit artifacts. Hopefully this cleared up a little bit, and if you enjoyed the video, please consider like and subscribe.